Guys, let's whip up a super simple and healthy cucumber salad. It has a cilantro lime dressing. You're gonna love it. The best part of this recipe is that it all comes together in the same bowl and you can make it ahead of time. So I'm just going to squeeze some limes. Now, if your limes are hard to juice, before you cut them, put them in the microwave for about 10-15 seconds. It helps them extract the juices. You can also roll them a little bit on your board. And sometimes if you cut it horizontally like this or vertically, you can also get a lot more juice out of it. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, freshly ground pepper, and olive oil. So that makes our dressing just right there. Let's give it a good mix. Now I've got this huge English cucumber. Usually I'll use 2 cucumbers depending on the size. You can take a knife, and if you're good at finely slicing your cucumber, you can do that. You can also slice it in half and make half moons. If you have a mandolin, you can make really thin slices that way, but I don't because it's at my house. Or some of these old school cheese graters also have a grating, so you can take and you can use it to slice your cucumber. If you do that, cut your cucumber in smaller pieces. But if you're making, and you see, you'll get thin cucumber slices too. But I'm doing it the hard way and using my knife for the job. Sharp knives are key, and a larger knife makes the job easier. Even if you have to manually chop it, it still takes 5 minutes to put together. This is a great side dish for nights that you just grabbed a rotisserie chicken and that's all you got. You want a healthy side dish, this cucumber salad is great. And then you just want to add those slices directly into the bowl. Give these a quick toss. We're gonna add the cilantro at the very end, but first we want to coat everything with the dressing. Into this, we're gonna add cilantro. It is a cilantro and cucumber salad after all. And I'm gonna add I always eyeball it. If simple and healthy recipes that include fresh ingredients are your jam, make sure to hit that red subscribe button. I share videos every week so you can cook better, healthier for yourself and your family. Let's add the cilantro into our salad bowl. So easy, and now we just toss everything around. This is the perfect salad for a side or barbecue in the summer. Now you can serve this immediately or store in the refrigerator for 30 minutes or an hour later when dinner's ready, and you've got an easy side dish. Grab the ingredient measurements right below this video. See you next time.